Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Instagram Notes. Now, what you are going to do is just open it here. You can just tap on your message icon at the top, and after tapping in it, you should see there your note. And then if you have a lot of followers and followings, basically their notes should appear somewhere in here. In my case, however, I don't really have a lot of followers, but I'm going to show you what it is. So I'm just going to open my Facebook, and basically this is just the same thing. You can just click this one here in order for you to add a note, and this is how it looks. Alright, as you can see there, they have notes updated, and basically they can just write anything in here. So yeah, it's kind of like a short updates that you can do, kind of like a story, and then people can then reply to them. You can have a conversation based on that. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to add them. You can just click this one here, and then you can just start typing notes. As you can see, it's only limited to 60 letters. Now I'm just going to try here, trying notes. There you go. And then in order for you to share, there is a share button at the top. You can just go ahead and click that one, or you can also click this one here in order for you to adjust who are going to be the ones seeing your notes. So in my case, I've set this to followers I follow back, and you can also click this one here, which are just your close people. Now, once you're done setting this up, you're just going to go ahead and click done, and then you can just click this one here in order to share it. All right, there. As you can see, I've already updated notes. It says trying notes. Yeah, that's what it is. Now I can just go ahead and click this one, and then I can delete this by clicking this button here. And yes, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to use Instagram Notes.